what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with the next video again, guys. Back in the kitchen again, showing you how I make my homemade cheese pizza. So come guys, I couldn't get no yeast, so I'm gonna just use what I have. So come make a homemade cheese yummy pizza. Big up. Yes guys, here I have my flour, and this is about 2 cups of flour. And what I'm gonna do now with my flour is to add my baking powder. And this baking powder is 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, right? I'm gonna add some salt, and I'm just gonna mix all of this together. The flour, the baking powder, and the salt, mix all of this together. So what I'm gonna do now is to add some olive oil. Just add a little right in the middle there. And I have some water. What I'm going to do with this water is to put into my flour and make a dough. But I don't want the dough too firm. It must just have a moist dough. Yes, so I'm going to just knead my flour. Yeah. You're not going to put all of the water in there, okay? And this is just a simple homemade cheese pizza. I'm gonna put on this spoon and just use my hand, okay? That's what I use your hand. And try to not make it too hard, okay? Just gonna add some more water. And this is not hot water, this is just a normal water, normal temperature water. And you don't want it too soft and you don't want it too hard, okay? See? It's not bad. So I'm gonna use my flour and just clean up my dish. Just clean it out. Yeah. Well, you know you have a perfect dough. Because all of the flour in a container clean out by the flour, okay? So just gonna nail this, nail it, and just cover it for. That's gonna make it set for 15 minutes. If I was using yeast, I would make it set for an hour. Yeah, or you can make it set for overnight. You can do it now and make it set for until the morning. Yeah. So now I just nail this and then I just set it. Okay. Yes guys, I'm here again, and what I'm gonna do now is to just wrap my dough and just let it steam for 15 minutes. So you can go and look for your little topping where you're gonna put on your pizza. Yes, so I'm gonna look for my cheese and the rest of topping that I'm gonna put on my pizza. That's gonna make this set only 15 minutes. So I was shredding my cheese, and if you want, you can buy your shred cheese, but no, I prefer shred my cheese. Yes, to put on my pizza. Okay. Yes, guys, here is my dough after 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take off my plastic. Take it off, and what I'm gonna do now, look at this. See this? It's not too hard, it's not too soft, okay? So what I'm gonna do with this dough now, put it on my pizza pizza pan here. So I'm gonna put some olive oil, just right, put it right here on my flour, just to make my flour moist and spread easy, because I don't have a roll. So what I'm gonna do with my hand is to roll my dough. Roll it right out. Okay? Don't be afraid. And depends on how thick you want your pizza. Yeah, how thick you want your dough. So you're gonna roll it. When they're Jamaican mother, I make the big fried dumpling then just put it in the hand wiggle and just flat it out. Yeah. So I'm gonna spread it out, spread it right out. Look at this, see? It is super easy. Oh, look at this, see? So what I'm gonna do with my dough now is to make a bridge. Make a bridge. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do with my fork now, I'm gonna use a fork. I'm trying to make this dough. Yeah. I was gonna use my fork and just make some oil. When you're doing this, make sure your hand clean. I'm just gonna juke it with my fork. Okay. So I'm gonna put on my pizza sauce now. Yeah, what I'm doing here, I just use I realize if the dough are right up back, right in back, I just use my finger them and just line it around. Just line it around my pizza. Yeah. And it just stay, okay? Yeah, see it there? This is my dough. What I'm gonna do now is to add my pizza sauce, right? I'm just gonna spread it on my pizza. Spread it on my dough. Don't think it come pizza yet, right? Yeah, just gonna spread it. I'm gonna make a video and show you how to make the sauce. Okay? Super easy. I remember saying you make a homemade pizza, so you can put anything that you want to put on it. Yeah. Okay? I'm gonna take me no more sauce. You can just put your oven for preheat. You just put it in your oven to finish. So what I'm gonna do now is to put my topping on it, okay? I'm gonna add some cheese. I'm gonna make 2-layer cheese, okay? It's gonna get messy, yeah. So I'm gonna add my black olive. I'm gonna add my black olive, yes. I'm gonna add some green sweet pepper or yellow sweet pepper, colorful pizza, cheese pizza, yeah. Just gonna put some tomato on it. But you can fix up a pizza anyhow you want to fix it up, okay? You see how colorful it is? It's beautiful. Beautiful color. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and I'm gonna make this bake for 30 minutes. Yeah, because I really want it to, you know, get a beautiful brown crust. Okay? Yes. So colorful it is. So I'm gonna put some more cheese on it, okay? Yep. Remember, it's a cheese pizza. Wow, it's yummy. Look how beautiful this is. You see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna put this in my oven for 30 minutes. Look at this. Yeah. Ooh, this thing is hot. I say hot, it's hot. Ooh. 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 Yes guys, this is the finished look of my homemade cheese pizza, guys. It smells wonderful. Trust me, the smell bad. When I like bad wishes, it smells great. You see what I say? So come make a slice up our homemade cheese pizza, okay? Yes, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. Ooh, all right. I'm gonna make some almost slice. I'm gonna make with it. All right, one. I try to cut everything in a one size. One size. Ooh, look at it. Right here. It's super easy, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Oh man, this is amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm gonna show you how much slice I get out of this pizza. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. I get 10 slices. Yeah, man. This is the finished look of my homemade cheese pizza. Guys, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. I'm gonna take a slice. It's hot same way, not so watch it. Look at that. See this? Yeah. Come on. It's good. Excellent.